I'm feeling breathing problem because it's too high from the ground level. It's a geological trail. Today we'll go hiking to see the waterfall at the top of the hill. We are hiking now. We have to go through this rocky way. This is the rock. Can you see? In front of me, Pranab, Panna and Ashish. We are moving very slowly because the hill is very far. Here is Ashish. Today is very sunny and hot day. You see the way full of rock. You can see a lot of people hiking today. And all the people in front of us is moving very slowly. And this hiking trail is in Walter Sisulu Botanical Garden. If you want to do hiking, you must come and visit Walter Sisulu Botanical Garden. It's only rock here. On top of the rock, and we are going on top of the mountain. Can you see the road? There's only rock here. Rock. Here. You see? We have to go through this way. But we are trying. There's a lot of people hiking today. Hello. Happy New Year. Enjoy. As I said, a lot of people hiking today because of New Year Day. And we are now facing a little bit breathing problem because it's too high from the ground level. Oh, a snake. Who is making ours? It's like a snake. We can hear the sound of a snake. Let's go.
As you can see, the solid rock. Okay, this is stronger than even iron. Solid rock. It looks like it's going to fall apart, but when you touch, really, this is stronger than iron.
Here we can see a lot of protea trees on both sides of the road. Protea is the national flower of South Africa. This is a protea flower. You can see the rock. straight rock. We are really tired and thirsty, and we forgot to bring our water bottle. Please don't forget to bring your water bottle when you come here.
You want to have 6 pack in a day? You probably will have 1 pack today. So you got to come more 5 days.
Then you will get.
You can see we're facing breathing problem right now. But anyway,
Thank you.
thank you.
Hi.
We are going on top of the mountain. Oh yeah, it's really tough. It's really tough. It's really tough. A lot of people here today. You can see the beautiful scenery, and the beautiful mountain is really amazing and phenomenal. This is the restricted area of Black Eagle. We're right now on top of the fountain. Can you see us?